Welcome to Fiesta Key RV Resort, a tropical oasis in the Florida Keys. If you're looking for a waterfront escape with stunning views, resort-style amenities, and the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation, this just might be the spot for you. Hey everyone, I'm Courtney, and today we're going to give you a full walkthrough of Fiesta Key RV Resort, showing you everything from the sights to the amenities, plus some tips if you're planning to stay here. Let's dive in. Fiesta Key RV Resort is located in Long Key, Florida, right along the Gulf of Mexico. It's 1,000 Trails and Encore Park, making it a great option for members looking for a tropical getaway. The resort has a mix of RV sites, rental cottages, and even waterfront spots with incredible sunset views. One of the biggest perks of staying here is the resort-style amenities. You've got a heated pool overlooking the ocean, plus hot tubs for the ultimate relaxation. The on-site restaurant and bar, Oceans 305, is a great spot to grab food and drinks without leaving the resort. But that's not all. Fiesta Key also has a playground for kids, a clubhouse stocked with games, puzzles, and books, and a full lineup of planned monthly activities, including fitness classes, group events, and live music nights. This is sure to bring fun for the entire family of all ages. Didn't have room for all the toys that you wanted to bring along? Don't worry, they've got golf cart rentals and a place where you can put in a kayak or canoe so you can go out and enjoy the time in the ocean, whether it be sunrise, sunset, or any time in between. This beautiful walk is also perfect to take your dogs. That's right, Fiesta Keys is pet friendly. They also have a dog park conveniently located next to the laundromat where you can put in your load of clothes and go out and play with the pooch. Plan on bringing your boat? There's a private marina with a fueling station and an on-site general store where you can grab essentials like souvenirs and even live shrimp for bait, which we definitely took advantage of multiple times to go fishing. After spending the time out on the ocean or even just fishing off of the resort itself, there's a fish cleaning station where you can clean up your catch to take it home for dinner. Let's talk about the RV sites. There's a mix of back-in and pull-through sites, most with full hookups including 30 or 50 amp electricity, water, and sewer. Some sites are spacious while others are a bit tighter, so I recommend checking the resort map before booking if you have a big rig. Fiesta Key has made relaxation a top priority, so many incredible things you can do without ever leaving the resort. However, Fiesta Key is also a prime location if you want to explore the Florida Keys. You're about 30 minutes from Isla Mirada and about an hour from Key West, so day trips are super easy. Plus, Long Key State Park is right down the road if you're into kayaking or hiking. It sure makes relaxing the day away very easy on such a beautiful beach with the most comfortable chairs to look over the ocean. Grab your sunscreen and let's just hang out. Now let's talk about the pros and cons so you know what to expect before you book. Pros, there is stunning water views, great amenities such as the pool, the restaurant, the marina. It's got a quiet and relaxing atmosphere, and it's a perfect location for exploring the Keys. Now the cons. Some sites are tight and not all are level. Wi-Fi can be spotty, so bring a hotspot if you work remotely. It's a bit pricey if you're not a Thousand Trails or Encore member. So is Fiesta Key RV Resort worth a stay? If you were looking for an island-style getaway with resort perks, I'd say yes. Just be sure to book early, especially for a waterfront spot and to get in before winter season. We had such an incredible stay here in Fiesta Key. So what do you think? Would you stay here? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more RV travel content, and check out our other adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, wander less, wander more, wonderfully wander.